Hi everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we're back with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. This week we took Justina's request and she wanted to see an asymmetrical Kate arch, and here was her inspo picture.
Yes.
Her budget was between
$800 to $1,000, I'm pretty sure.
And we came in at
$990.
So right in the middle of her budget, and we hope you love how it turned out, Justina.
Yes. So all the products that we use will be listed in the description below, so you can click the link, and the quantities will also be listed. You don't need any tools.
Yeah, I guess you don't, because the runners come with Velcro. If you want zip ties, just to make sure that the runners are extra secure, it's never a bad idea to have zip ties on hand, but you can find the zip ties and an arch that is similar to ours in our Amazon storefront, which is also linked in the description below. But now we can get into it.
The way our runners work is they have 3 points of contact using Velcro. We're going to undo each one and then just Velcro it around the structure.
Our runners are essentially 4 garlands, so it'll come in one piece, and it's super malleable and easy to manipulate and attach to anything. I think 4 is going to be enough.
So
alright, next thing we'll do is we'll place some Meadows at the base of the arch to fill in that hole. Our Meadows come on the foam, so there's no vase. You just simply place it and it fills in that gap that we had nicely.
We have 5 posies to add, just to kind of give it.
One of our favorite hacks is that with any of our installs, if there's holes that you're seeing, posies and aisle markers are our go-to. So I have a hole right here. I'll just here.
Okay.
Alright, and there you have it, an asymmetrical Kate arch. Justina, we hope you love how this turned out. It was super easy to do. Maybe takes 10 minutes, if that. All the products will come assembled, so it's just a matter of securing them on the arch, placing the Meadows, and putting the posies in, and you're done. And just a reminder of how this whole series works. So we post a video every Monday on our YouTube channel. Sometimes we take requests from our audience, which we did today. So if you want to submit your own request, the form is in the description below. Let us know the area you need help with, the collection you're interested in, your budget, and the most important part is an inspo picture. So if you're seeing something on Pinterest you love, fill out a request and we will let you know how to recreate it. Another way is to follow us on Instagram, because every now and then we'll poll our Instagram audience on our story to see what install we should recreate. So you'll vote on the collection and the install type, and whichever one wins is the one we will recreate. And then lastly, we just sometimes show you what we want to show you. So if there's a new product drop or collection that just launched, we will create something from that photo shoot or a tablescape or whatever we want to do.
So if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week.
Bye.